Hello dosto, so today we are going to unbox and review another product from Flipkart. So we have purchased a Omega Aloe Vera hand sanitizer which come 70% alcohol or with a cylinder flavor. So they claim they kills 99.99% जो harmful germs and is come under 100 ml bottle. So we have got this package from Flipkart. So this package costs us 138 rupees. So whenever you open this box, so you got four 100 ml bottles of Omu aloe vera hand sanitizer. So it smells very good, and if you want to purchase it separately one piece, so you have to pay 50 rupees each bottle. But if you purchase it as a combo offer, so you got a four bottle of 100 ml only just 134 rupees only from Flipkart. And you can visit a nearby offline store, or you can buy it from another website, so you may got a different price on those website, or you can buy from Flipkart only. So this is unboxing and review from this product. So if you find this helpful, so please like, subscribe and share this video. Let's meet in next video. Till then, please take care and bye bye. Thank you.